If you want to get fully funded master scholarship in one of the richest countries in the world with high quality educational standards, continue watching this video. University of Tokyo together with Asian Development Bank are offering 135 master scholarships for students from developing countries. What does the scholarship cover? When I say fully funded, I really mean fully funded because the benefits of the scholarship are the following: full tuition fees, monthly stipend, housing allowance, book allowance, medical insurance, and travel expenses. Who can apply for this fully funded master scholarship? First of all, you have to be from one of the country members of Asian Development Bank. So far, there are 68 members in this organization, so you will find your country for sure. Second, you have to have 2 years of working experience as a full-time employee. The third thing, you have to be not older than 35 years. And the last thing is that you must have bachelor's degree. What majors and study fields are available? You can apply for environmental studies, international studies, sustainability science, civil engineering and infrastructure development, public policy, urban engineering, health science, human and engineered environmental studies, natural environmental studies, ocean technology, policy and environment systems, socio-cultural environmental studies. Which documents should you provide? Academic records, which include academic transcripts and your bachelor's degree. Personal statement, where you mention your goals, aims, and how your background and the future goals align with the goal and aims of this scholarship. Application form and also 2 recommendation letters. It can be from your employers or your university professors. How can you apply? First of all, you have to find a supervisor at University of Tokyo who will agree to supervise your master thesis. How can you do it? Go to the website of the university, find professors who are majored in your field and send them email indicating your goals and intention to apply for this university with this specific scholarship. For his or her consideration, you can also attach your CV. But sometimes it can be very stressful and time-consuming to find a professor because not all professors read their emails on time. Sometimes your email can go in junk. So what you can do, send as many emails as possible to find your professor as soon as possible. The second thing is that you have to send all required documents through the specific platform, which I will share with you in the description of the video. And by the end of the deadline, you have to also send these documents to specific email that you will find again in the website of the scholarship that I will share with you below. 2 recommendation letters should be sent to the email that you sent your documents to by the recommenders, not you. So you can ask your employers or university professors to send the recommendation letter to this specific email using their own emails. When can you apply? You can apply now until December 2024. So hurry up and good luck.